Good morning, everyone. I am really too happy to hear to the little kids presenting with so much of confidence and such a good communication, and all are talking about different kind of life skills they are trying to inculcate. And I am very happy to listen to the visionary principal ma'am under whose guidance the school is running. And really want to congratulate all of you, the teachers and staff and everyone, and convey to the parents of the kids who are sitting here that your child is in very safe hands because the school is taking care of the total personality development, not only the information and getting only degrees, which leads only information collection and not even, they don't even care of knowledge of part of the education system. Slowly, the things have been changing. The co-curricular activities have been really taking good part in the system, and the things have been changing now. The creativity, the rational thinking, the leadership qualities, the everything. The co-curricular activities have really been helping for the development of the brain. And this is a stage when these children, they are trying to step up one step by other step, and they are trying to reach the heights. I know this generation has to face n number of problems, and they need different kind of skills, because for the solution of the problems they will have to even change their liking, their the knowledge which they have gained. They have tried to even change the path and try doing something new. So the divergent thinking portion and the innovation plays very important part, and the school is trying to do their full hearted effort in taking up the honing of those inherent skills of the children, because I'm really very proud to be here today. Congratulate all the children who are not only graduating but who all are studying in this school. And I am really impressed by the communication skill and the way they have been carrying out the program. Congratulations to all the teachers and principal ma'am specifically. Please keep up this kind of vision, and these kind of opportunities should be given to children which need the functioning of left and right, both the parts of the brain, because both the parts have to grow. And please take care of the honing of the left as well as right, because not many people, they are analytical or logical, but and not many children, they are all artistic. So please watch them and try to mentor them as per their as capacity is, and let them learn that even if they are good in some technical skill, they must have the life skill, the other part, the right part of the brain to work also, and be a good citizen. Try to give it back to society. So caring and sharing, these are very important in life. Working together, listening to others, giving respect to the feelings of others. This is the age when they need to really learn how to work in team, how to respect each other's value. I am correct, should not be the thing. We are doing things collectively, that should be the thing. And I'm very sure that the school teachers and principal ma'am, they are taking care of this part also.